Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like Lists. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we will be doing a bill exchange for a portion of my second paycheck of November. Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today, and we are back with another video. I'm so glad that it's the weekend and now I have time to catch up on some videos. And let's see, yesterday I went to the ATM machine to pull out some cash, and of course it only comes in $20 bills. So what we're gonna do today is do a little bill exchange. And in my last video I did mention that when I don't have time to go to the bank, I just go to the ATM machine, pull out the cash that I need, and then do a little bill exchange with my cash envelopes in my binder. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll just show you how I do that. So here's a little breakdown of a portion of my November paycheck number 2. So altogether there's, maybe I should write it on here, there should be a total of $440, and these are all the envelopes that I'm going to be cash stuffing, but I have already allotted the amount of money that I want for each envelope. The only envelope that we will not be cash stuffing is my golf envelope, my envelope for myself, and household. So we will go ahead and divvy up the cash. So first off, I want to allot $150 towards bills. But of course with 20s, there's no 100 or a $50 bill. So I'm going to try and go through my binder. So let's see. This is a little tricky. I want to make sure that everything is in frame. Can everybody see that? Okay, that looks good. So I go through my binders and see what I can make a change out of. So my bills, I already have a lot of 20s, so I'm not going to make change from my bills envelope. Let's see, golf has $50. Beauty has $120. So I think I can make change out of 100. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in 100, and I'll take out 100 from here. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and I just replace it from there, and I'll put that in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and see what I can make change of, and then we'll go down the categories and see if I'm able to make change from there. So I know that according to what I want, I do want some $50 bills, 20s, 100, and some 10s. So let's see, travel expenses, there's two 50s in here, so I can do two 50s, and I'll take out 100 from here. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And then that's going to go into travel expenses. Okay. And then California has, let's see, there's two 10s in California, so I am going to put in a 20. Okay. Okay, so that's it for this binder. So I'm gonna go through my other binder and see if we can make change. So let's see, emergency. Okay, so it looks like there's only 100s and 20s. So we won't make change from there. Car expenses. Let's see. Doesn't look like we can make change from there. Gifts, 20, 40, 50. Gifts maybe, but I think holidays there is a $50 bill. So, and 20s. So let's see. Let's see, I can do this. So I can put in a $50 bill, and then I'll take 2 20s and a 10, and that will go towards here. So I'll put 20, 40, and 50. And then I'll put a 50 here because it looks like we do need, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 50s. And so far we have 3 50s. So I can do one more. Let's see. So I'll put in another 50 and I'll take another 50 from here. So 20, 40, 50. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 50s. And now that I don't have any 10s, I can go ahead and make change because now there are 3 10s in this pile. So I'm going to take 2 10s and I'll put in a 20. And looks like altogether we need 2 10s. So that's our 2 10s. Do we need anything else? And then we should have, let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80, and then 100, 120. So 120 and 20. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 120. So that works out perfectly. Okay, so let's go ahead and count out this amount and make sure that we have $440. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so all together we have 100, 152, 253, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 30, and 40. $440. So guys, that's how I end up doing my bill exchanges when I don't have time to go to the bank physically and I just go to the ATM. So, you know, it all depends. Sometimes it depends on the location of where your ATM is, but there's some ATMs that I go to that only give out $20 bills. There's some that only give out $50 bills. So whichever it may be, when I come home, this is what I do. I just go through my binders and see if I can make change to the amounts that I want. But anyways, this is how I do my bill exchange. And guys, I want to thank you so much. We did reach 500 subscribers here on YouTube, and like I said in the last video, I do want to do a giveaway, but I will share that with you in the next cash stuffing video. I think it's more appropriate to do it in a cash stuffing video. So in the next video, I'll give you details about that giveaway, and I'll show you what the winner for that giveaway will be able to choose from. So I hope everybody has a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.